Thinking about switching industries but not sure where to start or how to prepare for interviews. Now let me tell you about Priya. You should explore if you're planning to switch your career in 2025. Now ask yourself, is this something I want to do for long run? Thinking about switching industries but not sure where to start, wondering if it's the right move, how much salary you can expect, or how to prepare for interviews. In this video, we are going to break down how to successfully switch industries, what career switches must include in the resume, the most common domains people are switching from and into, salary hikes you can expect, the common interview questions for switchers, and finally, how to position yourself as the right fit even if you don't have prior experience in the new domain. So whether you're moving from teaching to tech, sales to data, or operations to product, stay with me till the end. I promise you will leave with clarity and solid action plan. Now let me tell you about Priya, one of my students. She was a marketing manager in an FMCG company, but her heart was always in data. After upskilling, tweaking her resume, and following a strategic approach, she cracked a job as a data analyst with a 60% salary hike. So with this example, you can well understand that switching industries isn't impossible, but it's not random either. It takes clarity, preparation, and a smart approach. Now, before I tell you how to make a career switch, I have prepared something for you which can be very helpful for all those who are planning to switch industries. I have put together this list specially for you. These are fast-growing, high-income fields you should explore if you're planning to switch your career in 2025. This table shows which careers are growing fast, what background you can switch from, how much you can earn, and which free courses you can take to get started. Let's say you're currently working in operations or a BPO role. Your job involves handling data, reports, or repetitive processes. You already deal with tools like Excel or CRM, right? That means you're halfway there. Why it's a good switch? You already have process orientation, problem solving, and data handling skills. The shift to data analytics just means learning how to work with structured data, make sense of trends, and use tools like Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau. Now, here is a step-by-step guide while making a career switch. Number 1, research the new domain thoroughly. Don't just follow the trend. Understand what the role actually involves. Use YouTube, Quora, and Glassdoor to read day-in-the-life posts and real experiences. Example, if you want to switch from sales to digital marketing, find out what a performance marketer does every day. Running ads, reading analytics, split testing. Now ask yourself, is this something I want to do for long run? Number 2, identify your transferable skills. Every role teaches you something that's valuable elsewhere. Match your past experience to future role requirements. For example, let's say you're working in operations and want to switch into product management or become a business analyst. You already have experience with process improvement in product roles that translates to optimizing user flows or product features. You have worked on cross-functional coordination, maybe between logistics, procurement, and customer teams, and that's exactly what a product manager does when working with design, development, and marketing. You likely track KPIs, timelines, and resource allocation. That's key for both project planning and product roadmaps. If you have used tools like Excel, dashboards, or CRMs, that gives you a head start in learning product management tools like Jira, Confluence, or even SQL and analytics tools used by business analysts. So this means you're not starting fresh. You're simply repositioning your operations background into more strategic product-focused roles. Look at 5 to 6 job descriptions for your target role and make a skills crossover list just like this. This will help you clearly identify which skills you already bring from your previous experience and what new skills you need to learn to succeed in your new industry. Having said that, this brings me to the 4th point. Take up a certification or skill course. Certifications build credibility, especially when you're entering a new domain. Platforms like Google, Coursera, IBM Skills Build, LinkedIn Learning, and Udemy offer free and paid courses. For example, if you want to get into cybersecurity, do Google Cybersecurity Certificate. Want to become product manager? Try PM School Reforge or the product management course on Upgrad. But please don't overdo certifications. 1 or 2 certifications are more than enough if backed with projects. If you want me to make a detailed video on recommending you top certifications, please let me know your job role in the comments below. Point number 5. Update your resume and LinkedIn profile accordingly. Make your profile reflect your future role instead of your past profile. Highlight transferable skills, certifications, and projects on your resume. Also, update your LinkedIn headline, about section, and add relevant skills so recruiters find you in the search results. If you're struggling with optimizing your LinkedIn profile or your resume, I have made detailed video on both these topics. Make sure you watch these videos as well. I have added the links in the description box below. Point number 6. Now, if you're planning to switch your domain, it's very important for you to prepare for these interview questions which career switchers mostly face. Number 1. Why are you changing industries now? Do you have experience relevant to the field? What steps have you taken to prove you are serious? Practice your answers to these questions in star format and back every answer with certifications, projects, and motivation. If you're facing difficulty in acing your interviews, you can register for my Ultimate Interview Preparation course. The course has 200 plus sample responses to the toughest interview questions. Countless candidates have cleared their interviews and are placed in top companies with the help of this course. The best part is it comes with a lifetime access option so that you can revise anytime. The link to register for the course is in the description box below. Moving further, it's very important for you to network with people in the new industry, especially if you're planning to make a switch. Start engaging on LinkedIn. Comment on posts from people already in the roles you want. Reach out politely. For example, if you're switching from sales to product management, a simple message like this can create an opportunity for you. I'm saying this because one of my candidates, Varun Khera from operations, got into business analytics just by reaching out to someone on LinkedIn. So remember, changing careers is not about starting over. It's about repositioning your experience in a way that matches your new goal. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also planning a career switch. And drop a comment what industry you are switching from and to. I might make a dedicated video on it. See you in the next video. All the best for your career switch. And keep following your interview coach Diksha Arora to excel in your careers and ace your interviews. Bye-bye, good luck, and take care.